Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HENMI bicycle stand. This is a bike kickstand made out of aluminium. It is a kickstand which you can install on 24 inches up to 29 inches bicycles. It is height adjustable middle kickstand for electronic bikes, pedelecs, mountain bikes, trekking bikes, city bikes, and so on. It is designed for mountain bikes, also e-bikes. It's suited for leisure, for commuter and touring bikes. We have an adjustable extents of 22 up to 38 centimeters, suitable for 24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29 inches bicycles. And it's dirty because it is made of aluminum alloy. The maximum load is 35 kilograms. This is ideal for balancing the bike on uneven grounds. And we have a large non-slip sole here. This prevents the bike from slipping and sinking in the mud, for example. This is really cool. And when this kickstand is at your scene, of course, we have to assemble it first, okay? That means we have the adjustable kickstand, and this we have to attach to our round gaskets, okay? We tighten it, and we can loosely tighten it with screws, and then we can adjust it as we like. Before the installation will begin, we place the bike kickstand parallel to the bicycle frame, and then we select the installation method, and then we are searching for the screws after a parallel replacement, of course, because we have two options. This to assemble in the middle of the bike. We can use for the installation the standard long screw with directly with the frame of your bicycle. That's easy, of course, and it is old school, of course, too. We will need a round gasket, as told you before, for this installation method too, of course. Or that means this is the first step. If the bike comes with a built-in clamp, we just need to install the washers for the kickstand. We also remove the old kickstand from it, and then we attach the new version to the bike kickstand, of course, to it, and job's done. Here you can see this is the kickstand after the installation process is done, and it looks really professional, as you can see. Oh yeah, and it's directly tightened by the screw. Job's done. It's easy, it's fast, and it's reliable, of course. Or we are going to have a bicycle which does not come with washers. We need to install them on the kickstand itself. That means we are going to use the rectangular gaskets, okay? Then, of course, we additionally use the long screw with it. And, of course, the kickstand itself. And if we are tighten all these components together, we are ready to have a go and a stand option with the new bike kickstand, which is made out of aluminium. We can adjust the appropriate height and the screw on the hole with the winch to make a longer range of the stand or a shorter range of the stand. So we are going to adjust the height of the kickstand. That means we have, for example, 32 centimeters, these are 12.5 inches, up to 38 centimeters, these are 14.9 inches, which we can choose from. The measure level should be approximately 8 degrees of your bicycle. We adjust the height. We install it at an 8-degree slope, and then we can go and have fun with our bicycle again. And if the bicycle needs to rest, it's no problem, because the HENMI bicycle stand is with us. And this bicycle stand we can use to safely store our bicycle on even grounds, on or elevated grounds too. That's cool because it is usable for nearly all kinds of bicycle out there because it comes with two installation method in the center of our bicycle. Really cool and a good bicycle stand here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.